Hi, and welcome to your workout of the day, May 13th, 2020. All right, so again, we're gonna stick with what we're doing, right? Keep doing, again, at least one round of exercises. Keep up with your work. If you're doing 3 days a week, try to add a couple extra, reps if you can. Again, if you need help with anything, just text me, equipment, questions, whatever. So again, start with your chop patterns, dumbbell. You have a ball, again, I told you the ball creates more variation. You can even chop with the kettlebell. If it's light enough, okay? You need a light enough kettlebell. Some of you probably don't have that, so. Anyway, our push-pull patterns, we're gonna do at the middle part of the door. We're gonna work through our single arm presses. So remember, you can either go one band or two bands, right? Square your base up, get nice and tight, and press. So again, that double band is pretty heavy. So if you can get 6 to 10 reps, that's great. On a single band, you should be getting between 10 and 15. Same thing on the other side. Again, the hard part in the square base is keeping your base, not getting pushed over. So lock in your core, lean into it, and push. All right. On our pulls, we're going to do one-arm pulls, or we're going to do one-arm pulls in our bed position like it's a lat pull down. All right. So again, find your base, flatten your back, right, and pull this arm back. Keep that flat back. Again, with two bands, between 6 and 10 reps is good. One band, you should be getting 10 and 15, right? Same thing. Find your base, flatten your back, keep your back flat as you pull. All right? So for our rotations, we're going to try to, again, work through our staggered, and we're going to change sides each time. So it's going to become a little bit harder, just trickiness for the feet. If it's too hard, just do one side and then do the other side. But we're starting our staggered. We do our rotation, we switch sides. Now the right foot should be staggered forward, and then left foot staggered forward. So switch the feet, turn, switch the feet, turn. So right side turn, right foot forward, left side turn, left foot forward. Again, you should be able to get 20, 10 each side, because your alternating feet allows the core to relax on the one side. So that covers our core. For legs today, we're doing two patterns. First, we do single leg reach with the press. Again, if you have your kettlebell light enough, you can do this. If not, the dumbbell works good, because you can go single leg reach to the shoulder and press. Again, if you're still working off the chair, you can still touch, have the chair touch, keep the foot off the ground, and press, right? So the dumbbell, again, makes it a little bit trickier, because the reach is fine. When you transfer to the shoulder, it's got to come to the shoulder before I press it overhead. Reach, shoulder, press, all right? So we're going to work through our forward lunges today. We work a lot of the back lunges and some lateral lunges. We don't do that many forward lunges, and here's the reason why. When you do a forward lunge, most people step out, and then when they go down, their weight transfers forward towards that front knee, right? So when I step out, I want to make sure that when I step and I drop straight down, my front knee doesn't go forward. Stand back up, step back. So big step out, decelerate, up, and back. The hard part's to push back. Again, if those are easy, add a little bit of weight, and you'll find out it's going to become a lot harder, right? So again, if you're doing left leg forward, it should be in your right hand. So step out, decelerate, up, step back. That was tough for me. Step out, decelerate, up, step back. Again, alternate. If you can get, again, if you have a weight, 10 reps is going to be pretty tough. So if you get 6 or so, that's great. If you don't have a weight, again, you have to use a chair. The chair still becomes the helper, right? So I would have the chair here, right? I would still do my lunge, make sure that I have room to have a hold of the chair, down, up, and that will be fine, and use the chair again to get back to standing position. So again, that gives you another variation. That forward lunge, like I said, is a lot more advanced of a movement because of where the knee position is. So we don't do a lot of those. If it doesn't feel comfortable, you feel like your knee is traveling, go back to the stationary lunge or the reverse lunge. So that's your workout of the day. I hope everybody's well. Haven't heard anything from anybody recently or anything from the club really, so we'll keep doing what we're doing. So God bless you, and I'll see you tomorrow.